Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are checking out this Ann Summers mystery box. Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing really well. It is 2021 and oh my god, I have so much to film, have so many ideas, and it's only January. It's freezing outside, it is about -2. And I'm happy that I'm indoors and don't have to go to work today. So today we are checking out once again another Ann Summers box. I'm so excited. I don't really know anything that's in here. I've had a peep, but that's about it. Other than that, no idea what is in here. I do have another Ann Summers box on the way as well, so I'm going to have 2 videos of Ann Summers within the next few months of videos and stuff. So excited to see what is in here. This is not from my normal person, this is from someone who I think I used to go to school with actually, I'm not 100% sure. But her name is Jade. I'm going to put a link down below of her Ann Summers page, and then the next box is from my normal person Abby who does it, and yeah, they're both going to be hopefully really interesting videos. So this is the box. It is quite large. No idea what's in here. Once again, I just had a peek. But yeah, I'm just going to get right into the video. The first one, I kind of want to show you first and then see my reaction. So this is the first thing. Oh my god. I like pasta, but at the moment I'm kind of on a diet, so I can't have any pasta, sweets, chocolate. I can't have anything, but this is quite funny. I don't know if I'm going to maybe re-gift this to someone or maybe just wait until I can eat pasta again, because it is just pasta. But it is funny. It is in just very cute. Cute. Yeah, I do like it. And it says warning on the side, which I thought was quite funny as well. It says it increases in size when cooked. Next up we have Biscuits. You won't regret taking the plunge, dip in and out to get me soggy. So I guess these are, yeah, they're just normal biscuits in the shape of basically what this whole video is probably going to be centered around. Yeah, they're just packaged up. Once again, I can't have these. I'm on a diet, which sucks. I need to pick my words a bit more. Yeah. Right, next up we have, oh, I just saw it, but it's more sweets, God's sake. Why is everything the shape of the male anatomy? I mean, come on. They're marshmallows and they're marshmallow willies. I just can't believe these are all, I guess, novelties from Ann Summers. None of these yet or anything for what Ann Summers is known for. In my next box, I believe I am probably getting some underwear, because I did get asked for my my size. So that's going to be interesting in what gets picked out for me. I think this is the thing that I saw, because I kind of try and look in the corner to not spoil it too much. Yeah, this is the thing that I saw. So this is a duck with a dick. This is quite funny. I don't even know. Do you just have it in the bath, or do you just? Is it just a joke? I don't know. But yeah, there's a duck, a normal duck, or an adult duck. Not much to what to do with that. I don't know. More sweets. So this one's chocolate actually. So we have milk chocolate willies. This is what it looks like. I can't eat any of this, but still it is very, very funny. I do like the concept of that for someone's birthday or just Christmas or anything. If they're just part who knows how to take a joke, this is quite funny. I got this in my other one, so I do already had these, but these are Sexy Jenny Men. I think I've literally just got all sweets in this, which I'm not frustrated about. I mean, this is still, like, you know, Ann Summers stuff, but it's a bit frustrating that I've only got kind of novelties so far. picked up 2, and once again we have more sweets and we have a gummy dick. Yeah, I'm a bit frustrated at the moment with this box. I thought I was actually going to get certain items. I mean, when I spoke to her, I did ask to have it a complete mystery. I wanted some, like, you know, like a mystery, but I kind of wanted to be like a fun video at the same time. I still enjoy this video, and it's quite funny, but at the moment we've kind of only got sweets, and yeah, for a box that I paid £40 for, it was is quite expensive, but for something that I can't even use yet, once again, it is still quite funny with all this stuff. Okay, so we have, this is actually the first adult proper thing that we've had. This is a chick bullet vibrator. This is what it looks like. It's a very odd shape indeed. A more better look at it. By Ann Summers. Yeah, I think it's just a normal thing. Apparently it has 10 settings for you to explore, and oh, and you can put it in your handbag. And another sweet at the bottom as well. I thought I was trying to save the best till last, but at the moment this is another sweet which I probably won't eat. I don't really like gummies that much either, but fair enough. This is a lube. So this is the Ann Summers Natural Smoothing Lube with aloe vera, a water-based lubricant, free from, I don't even know what that says. But yeah, it's very nice. Is it fragrance free? Oh yeah, it's free from fragrances and preservatives. Yeah, I don't really use much of these. I'll give this one a go. Yeah, very nice. So next up we have, it is a 8 individuals. That is quite a lot. I have 8 in this, and there must be incy size. A selection pack has 8 individual sachets. Okay, that's why. Of your favourite Ann Summers products. So I guess they're all different kind of lubes. Let's have a little look, shall we? So we have some massage oil. I did have massage oil for my first ever box, and I did end up having to throw it away after using one of them because it's just a mess. There is orgasm enhanced gel. We have liquid satin just that. Don't know where I was going with that. The liquid satin maybe. Let's go in the bin. Strip Bare fragrance free. Heat wave warming. I don't think I'm going to use this. I've heard from someone who I speak to quite regularly about this sort of stuff. They've used that and they were a burning mess. There's this one as well. I don't really want to say that one out loud. And the last one is a cool tingle one. I guess it's kind of good to have like a small selection of them just to see if you like any of them, to then buy a bigger section of them. Very nice. Yeah, I do like this actually. I'm definitely gonna give them a go because why not? And yeah, very nice. I like this one a lot. Thing I believe that's in the box. Okay, so this is what it is. Oh god. The dicks are flying everywhere. So yes, this is what it is. It is a mini bullet and Ann Summers. I think I've seen these quite a few times in the outlets. Obviously I never really bought one. But yeah, this is quite nice. I guess this is again to maybe put in your handbag like the other one. So small, discreet and powerful. This vibe is perfect. Toy for beginners. Simply push the button and yeah, all that sort of stuff. Store in an Ann Summers toy. They do toy bags, and yeah, and clean them before and after use, obviously, and yeah, use wipes. So yeah, that is everything in the box. Some of it was a bit disappointing because obviously I am on a diet and I can't eat any sort of sweets, and some of the stuff I don't overly like anyway. But yeah, I'm going to give a quick run through of everything, and yeah, let's just have a look. The sexy jelly men, unfortunately can't use them. The fruity flavoured and sexy jelly men. We have chocolate willies, marshmallow ones, biscuit ones, pasta ones, every single sort of dick that you could ever want in your life, including the dark as well. We have 2 lollies, lube, a few toys, and the selection pack. These are probably all my favourite things, and whatever these are. But yeah, so I loved everything in this box, to be honest. Even though I can't use some of the things, it's still really fun to open them. So just reading through my delivery note, I've just been looking through it all. It comes to exactly what I paid, which was £40. The other ones that I usually get from Abby, you get your amount and slightly over. Obviously I didn't explain it properly because Jay doesn't really do mystery boxes at all. She's just an Ann Summers rep, so she does it slightly differently. I still love it all though. It's just nice to have a little mystery and for someone else to pick stuff out for you, which I kind of actually really enjoy. Probably do something like this in the future when shops are back open, like maybe my boyfriend can pick out some makeup bits or something like that. I have loads of ideas for this year, but as whenever this nightmare's gonna end, we can't do much. But yes, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. There will be another Ann Summers video next time, and yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. So bye guys.